Can you really earn $500 daily with Social Oasis? In today's video, we're going to be looking at a site called Social Oasis, and we're going to be finding out whether you can actually earn $500 per day. Plus, there are loads of things that I want to show you that I found when I actually undertook a full review of Social Oasis. Now, if you're someone that's looking to earn extra money online and come across Social Oasis, then now is the time to obviously watch this video right to the very end, as I will dive into it in more depth for you and show you exactly what you need to know before you go and join. So make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video, as we're going to do a full Social Oasis review. Okay, so we've come onto the Social Oasis website here, socialoasis.co, and it says unlock the Oasis of earnings and sign up now and get a $50 bonus. It says, are you ready to earn hundreds of dollars daily? And if you are, it says obviously just sign up using this button here, which is very easy. Sign up, add in some details, and you are good to go. I've actually registered with Social Oasis, so I'm going to show you inside the back of it very shortly. But first of all, I want to go through exactly how the steps you need to take and how easy it is supposedly to actually go and earn. And like it says, sign up and earn. You get a $50 bonus, which is what they've already said. So they're reiterating that on step 1. Step 2 says you're going to share and earn. Share your referral link with friends and family and colleagues and earn up to $18 for every successful sign up. And then you're going to get instant cash outs using things like Cash App, PayPal, Vimeo, etc. Now, here's some of their remarkable achievements, which we can go over in more detail a bit later. But it says they've had over 1 million plus users join their community. They've paid out over £25 million in actual commissions to members, and they are trusted by brands worldwide. Now, these are some of these success stories. Daniel's, obviously, I've just earned over $1,000 in just a few days by referring friends and completing offers. Emily has already made over 10K. I'm super excited to keep pushing on for more. Michael, he says the payouts are lightning fast and their support team is super responsive. Olivia says, I've now earned sufficient income just by posting and engaging with my followers. Ethan has also said he's actually managed to earn an incredible 5K plus. And like I say, we're going to dive into the back of it very shortly, where we're going to go through exactly how you're going to actually do this and how you're going to actually earn your money. So this just reiterates again. It says again on the front page here, refer friends and earn. So they're doing a lot about referring people and earning money by referring people. And it says here, you start earning up to $500 per day by leveraging the power of Social Oasis. So there are also some links here, including payment proofs. Now they've got a page here full of payment proofs, and as you can see here, there are some really good payouts. 2,800, 3,005, 2009, and it goes on. 2004, 3,009, 3,003, even down to 4,900 nearly. And again, we'll be touching on these payment proofs further on in this review, so make sure you stay tuned and watch that. But now we're going to dive into the back of Social Oasis, find out exactly how you're supposed to be actually going to be earning this money, and whether it is going to be a legitimate thing you are going to be able to earn this sort of money, or is it just a complete spoof website and a total scam? Let's go and find out more. Okay, I trust you are enjoying this video. If you are, make sure you smash up the like button for us. This will help us in the YouTube algorithms and more people will see the video. And of course, we will be most appreciated. So here we are, guys. I've landed inside my account, okay? And as you can see here, I have actually landed my $50 bonus. And it says here, you can get referrals, $18 per referral. And then it says it offers here $120 per offer. And then offer bonuses. You can earn bonuses from your referrals as well. Plus, it says here clicks, $2 per click. Now, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about that very shortly. But it also says here you can claim up to a limited time up to $5,000. So let's just click on that and find out exactly what that's all about. Basically, what it's telling you to do is go and refer 20 new users. Okay, and then you can claim your $5,000 bonus. So that's encouraging you again to go and refer people to the actual Social Oasis website. Now, we thought mainly it was they do say that you should be able to claim offer by taking offers and doing surveys. So let's go and look a little bit more into that. So the offer area is here. So click on the offer area, but we can get to the surveys. So we click on the surveys, and as you can see here, earn $120 for this. Prime Amazon Video, 30 days free, and this with Discovery Kids, earn $120. And again, Amazon Prime here, Prime Video. So these are all shorts. I get a free pair of boxer shorts. So if we just click on one of these, let's before we do that, let's just have a look. It says, did you know? So let's click on did you know? And it says here, when a user has referred earns money. So in other words, when someone I referred earns money by completing offers from the offer area, you will receive a a 25% bonus based on their earnings. It's a win-win situation. You earn money, they earn money. Well, that's very good, but so that basically means is if you are going to earn $120, then they're also going to be giving away another $20, which is 20%, another $25, which is 20%, near enough, to the person that's referred you. So they're going to be giving away near enough $140 odd for this offer. Now, let's just go and see what this offer entails. Now, it says here we've got to actually click and do this, start the survey here to get this free product. So now this opens up a different actual site, and this is a totally different website, obviously all to do with boxer shorts. And it just says try for free. You're not actually filling out any survey or anything like that. It's just getting you to buy the pair of boxer shorts, which you can try for free. So it's really weird. So at the end of the day, guys, this is my first alarm bell, really. Well, my second alarm bell. The first alarm bell was that they gave you $50 for doing absolutely nothing. Okay, so where did that money come from? Now they're going to give you $145 because the site that you're going through to get your free boxer shorts, they're certainly not going to pay you $145 to give you a free boxer shorts. It's not going to happen, guys. There's no way if I've done a lot of reviews about survey sites, that sort of thing. You will be lucky if you actually go and fill in a survey or an offer that takes you 10 to 20 minutes to do, and you might, if you're lucky, get a couple of dollars. You're not going to earn this sort of money by literally doing something as simple as that. And especially, you're not going to be giving away even more money you're not going to be earning more money from referrals as well. The whole idea with this, guys, is they want you to refer people. So they're making it look good for when you refer. So let's go back again and go to social posts. This is post and earn, social post. So you're going to earn $42 when Facebook, you submit a post, a story or a reel on Facebook. You're going to earn $50 on YouTube. So if I done a video about this on YouTube, then they're going to give me $50. Well, how are they going to get that money? And on Snapchat, you're going to get $92. TikTok video, $85. It's just absolute crazy. So if you click on this, this tells you how you're going to do it. So step one, you want to make a serious money on YouTube. Talk about Oasis. In the next video, explain how it works and how much money you've earned so far. Well, I've earned absolutely diddly squat so far. Please use the following title and description when uploading your video. So there you go. You've got to then literally how I turn socializing into a profitable venture, Social Oasis review and insights. Well, I'm going to be putting this video up on YouTube, and I'm not going to be talking about how much I've earned. I'm going to be talking about how much you will not be earning. It's as simple as that, guys. But make sure you stay tuned. I've got some other things to show you. Now, obviously, cash out as well here. So once you've got to the limit, you can go to get cash out. I'll let you into a little secret. When I signed up for this site, I actually used a fake email. It's not an email I've even got. And they let me in straight away. So I didn't have to verify my email at all. I didn't have to verify that I was legit. So again, this is an alarm bells that any site that doesn't make you send you an email, so a confirmation that you can confirm that you are who you are. Now the thing is as well, it says here the road to your first cash out. They want you to get 15 clicks. Now, okay, you're going to actually earn $2 per click. Again, that's a red flag. Who's going to pay you $2? I could go on my YouTube channel and I could go and put the link, the referral link at the bottom there. I could earn hundreds of dollars because I can get loads and loads of people to click on it. I guarantee you guys that they will not pay out. I've been on sites like this before and I've actually tested them to the hilt. They either set you other tasks once you've hit these balances, or they just get rid of your account so you can't actually log in and your money goes. It's as simple as that. And it says I've got to refer up to 7 people and I've got to take 8 offers and I've got to have an offer bonus of $310. Okay, so that means my offer bonus, I've got to the people that I refer have got to earn at least $1,500 for me to get $300 before I can even cash out. And this would be, I'd have about $400 or $500 in here, guys, before I would actually be able to cash out. This, guys, it's just not going to happen. It's getting you to put as many people into the pot as possible, refer as many people as possible. Now, obviously, I'm not going to take these tasks, and I know people might say in the video below here, well, you didn't take the task, you didn't do this, you didn't do that. I've done videos. Look at my scam videos. I've got a whole playlist of scam videos. They are very similar to all these sites, okay? And they're very similar in the way they're done. They want to get you to refer as many people as possible. Then go on to those particular videos and find out how many people have actually been paid. Because it says in the comments, people have said, oh, I'm waiting for a payout. I'm waiting for a payout. Oh, they just banned me. They've just done this. It'll be the same here, guys. If you have actually requested any money and you've reached a payout, have you actually received it? Let me know in the comments below here. Have you tried other sites similar to this? If you have, let me know in the comments below here. If you think this video is a load of rubbish, let me know in the comments below here. It's as simple as that. Guys, I would stay well clear of Social Oasis. Even if you have joined already, just don't do any more tasks. Just sit back, see and follow this video and see if anyone posts and say that they've actually received anything. I don't think they would have done. It's as simple as that. It says they've paid out over $25 million already to people. That is a load of BS, guys. It really is. This site has only been going a few months. Okay, it's fairly new because what will happen is the site will then suddenly go to a point where it'll start getting less and less visitors, and they just clone the site and then just get a new domain name and then put it back up again in a new name, and they get more people in that way. Now, obviously, they will have your details. Their details will, obviously, they will be able to pass these details on to other people. They will be getting you to click on ads, and they will be getting paid that money for ads, and they'll be getting a little bit of money. But if there's thousands of people clicking on that ad, that money will add up to them. But they're certainly not going to be paying you $120 for clicking on and taking the surveys and that sort of thing, or downloading an app and testing it. It's not going to happen, guys. It really isn't, I'm afraid. I'm not going to go on too much about this. Like I say, if you've had any joined any other sites like this, or you've joined this one here, Social Oasis, let me know in the comments below. It'd be great to hear from you. And I obviously stay tuned, because I have plenty of legit ways you can actually earn money on my YouTube channel. So make sure you actually go and check those out as well. Check out some of the playlists. That's the best way to get hold of those videos. And I've got hundreds of different videos in there that will earn you some money. But it's not going to earn you $50 for signing up. It's not going to earn you $120 for just doing a simple task. It is going to be a few pounds, a few dollars here, a few dollars there. But that said, you could quite easily earn $200-300 a month with some of these sites. Okay, so check them out, but you will have to do some work. You can't just sit back and refer a few people and then get paid. You will have to do some work. You will have to take some surveys. But there are legit sites out there. But unfortunately, I don't think Social Oasis is going to be one of them. Okay, trust you found this useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you will get notified every time we make new videos. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.